Hi everyone. I chose to respond to prompt number 1, which is evolution is just a theory, it can never be proven. And in short, I say it has not been proven. So here is the scientific case for my skepticism towards evolution. While often presented as absolute certainty, the theory of evolution faces significant scientific hurdles that suggest it remains an unsettled explanation for the complexity of life. These challenges primarily manifest in the contradictions of evolutionary mechanisms, the limits of genetic change, and the gaps in the fossil record. So, starting with number 1, the conflict of mechanisms. Evolutionary theory is currently split between two exclusive models, gradualism being the first one, and the second one being punctuated equilibrium. Gradualism predicts a slow, steady transition of species, yet this is consistently contradicted by the fossil record, which shows species appearing suddenly and remaining unchanged for millions of years. Punctuated equilibrium was created to explain this lack of traditional fossils, but it relies on highly improbable bursts of mutation within small isolated populations. Scientifically, such isolation typically leads to inbreeding and genetic decay, rather than the robust survival of the fittest. The second one is the barrier between micro and macroevolution. There is a critical distinction between microevolution, which is adaptation within a species, and then macroevolution, which is the transition from one kind of organism to another. Laboratory evidence confirms that species can adapt, such as the vast variety of dog breeds, but these changes are always limited by the existing gene pool. There is no experimental evidence proving that a series of small adaptations can eventually transform a fish into a land mammal. Evolution relies on an unproven leap from observable variation to massive structural transformation. The third is the philosophical overreach. Finally, the theory is often treated as a metaphysical fact rather than a biological hypothesis. When evolution is used to categorically dismiss the possibility of a creator, it moves beyond the realm of empirical science and into philosophy. Given the technical inconsistencies at the molecular and ecological levels, maintaining a healthy scientific skepticism is not unscientific. It's a rational response to a theory that still lacks consistent, supportable answers. These are just the challenges I have with believing in the theory of evolution, is all of these issues that I see and these things that have yet to be proved. And so this is my case for my skepticism towards evolution, and I cannot argue completely for it, as I do not find the evidence to argue fully and completely for it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for taking your time out of your day. Thank you.